Hi everyone, I came with another activity with circles and we will make a easy bird with the circles, dears. Okay, everyone do the activity. Okay, for this we need two black color circles, two green color circles, yellow color one, red and blue color circles, one, and white also for this beak, and this is eye, a small circle. With this one we'll make a easy bird. Okay, now take the glue and apply it here. With your hand you can apply it and you can apply it here and paste it. Okay, next take the second one and apply the glue and paste it down. Okay, now take the white circle and apply glue here and paste it on the black one. Clear, dears? Okay, now there is a triangle shape here like this. Apply the triangle shape glue for that. Okay, and take the circle and keep it down. Okay, clear? Okay. Take a small black one, apply some glue and paste it on the white one. Just take the two green circles and then fold it into half. This one also. Okay, and apply the glue here and here like wings. Okay. Okay, and again fold this one also into half, put it here, and again one more. Take the last one and fold it. Okay, now first you have to apply some glue here, and put the red one like feathers, and then yellow one, apply some glue here. Okay, back side also. Okay, now see here, take the blue one and apply the glue and paste it here. Okay, and our circle bird is ready. Okay, everyone do the activity and enjoy the day, children.